Hello everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have orders that came in. First one's from Dark Wood Sanctuary, aka Hags. Hello. And she had a sale. And I purchased some paper. I'm in love with. Oh, okay. I thought there was something else in there. Nope. Okay. It is pretty blue. Alright. Check it out, guys. Look at this pretty blue. Gorgeous. Ooh, it's so gorgeous. I love how she gets these different designs in this blue. Or on her paper. Like each one's always got something. It's so pretty. It's like a blue. Look, to me it looks like, it's got a stuck. Don't rip. Okay. Like a turquoise or a teal color blue. It's really pretty. But that's from Hags. And then I got this back, and it's so pretty. I love it. Okay. Stick that back. I'll do it after we're done. And then, with my Christmas money, I picked up some stuff from ASC Supplies. So that's Tina. Thank you so much for your continued business. I hope you enjoy your paper. Happy creating. Thanks. I never could read her name, but you get a free pen. I never can read it. Crystals. Chimbos. Can't read her name. But the first one I got was Mr. Sir Vagabond. So let's check it out, guys. Joe told me about these, and as soon as I saw them, I knew how to get them, but I had to wait till after Christmas, and then I got money, so here we go. Sir Vagabond. Can you guys see it? There we go. Bring it just in the hair. I don't know, I screwed up my camera the other night. I feel like I screwed it up. I don't know. It just seems off to me. You guys let me know in the comments, guys, if my camera looks different to you. There we go. Sir Vagabond, it's called. Stamperi. I love their paper. I don't buy much paper, but I do spoil myself, and then I stare at it. I still got some I bought a couple months ago, and I haven't touched yet. Whew, okay. 10 double-sided face sheets, acid-free. Sir Vagabond. Oh my god. So yeah, I need to find frames because I'd frame him just for my wall. Alright, and you got over here little tickets or sayings. Some beautiful past can't be discovered without getting lost. Live your life by a compass, not a clock. The journey is the destination. The time is now. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Let your dreams be your wings. Life is a journey. Not all those who wander are lost. Dare to live the life you want. Compass is the center of your life. The adventure. This way is your adventure. Follow your inner compass. Time travel journal. Absolutely unique, amazing. Dream big. Leave the trail, adventure, and explore Explore, dream, and discover. So little tags and sayings. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Love this. And just think, guys. If I make a journal, I didn't plan this at all. I can use Amy's paper, and it looks pretty good because it's got this blue tint. So that's kind of cool. All right, ready? I have not looked at this except for seeing it when I went to buy it. So first hand is totally different. Oh my god, look at that. Map of the country, 33 miles around the city of New York. That is so cool. Oh, look at this one. It's got a little border and it has writing. And I'm trying to see, and it has some set up here, but I can't read it. If you guys can see the writing right there. Look at that. Look at that town with the clocks. Oh, wow. Okay. Them are cool. These are so-and-so pages to me. Like this one. I could see putting this. I could see putting them all in frames, but I don't know what would you do with them otherwise. You know, it's one of those hard things. Ready, ready, ready? Ta-da! Oh my God. The newspaper with the same town. See, sometimes I wish I'd buy two. This side is colored, and this side is black and white. And it's got like the Traveler's News, or Traveler News. That's cool. Look at that. The train with the balloon. That's cool. And then the old world map. Oh my God. See, I don't know. This is cool, but I don't know what I do with them. I bought them because I liked it. Look at that. Gorgeous. And both of them, they're just too gorgeous to use. Oh yeah. Ready, ready, ready? Ooh, gorgeous. See, these ones I just seen are probably ones that I'll just keep and look at, because I don't, like these right here. What would you do with them? It's not like I'd use them in a scrapbook. But, here we go. Here's what I use. I know that guy right there, the balloon, the compass, and the guy, freedom, the world maps, let your dreams be your wings, travel journal. Oop! So you get what I'm saying about the other ones? Excuse me. And then journal cards on the back. And there he is. He is so cool looking. And then now that's cool too. As well as the compasses. My husband told me what this was. It's not a compass. Forgot. I'll have to ask him again. And then the stars. Measures the stars, I guess. Vintage map. Got the air balloons. So cool. And then I could use these. This I could see me using. Then like the newspaper clipping. And back right here, guys. Ready? Wow, done. Look at them. Look at that. Look at the heart in blue. That is so cool. That's so awesome. Oh, wow. And then look at the cutouts. Look at that guy with the wings. So cool. And this one is Sir Vagabond. And of course, with that one, I had to get Lady Vagabond. My fingers aren't working. I can't get it open. Oh my Lord Almighty. Oh, Jesus. Oh, please. So this one's called Lady Vagabond. That's what the cover looks like. You can even cut them out if you really wanted to. I don't. 2020 limited edition. Ooh, look at here. First starts off with the same like tags. Let the future arrive one day at a time. Let your dreams be your compass. All journeys have secrets, destinations of which the traveler is unique. So I'll just show them to you. I don't have to read them all for you, but look at the mechanisms for doors and the keyholes. Look at her. Gorgeous. I mean, wouldn't this look cool? You get a frame. Find frames that are 12 by 12. Having these on your wall together as a set. That'd be so cool. Okay. So you got her. Look at her. She's beautiful. Are you ready? Ooh, wallpaper. A little bit. Cape Town, London, the suitcases, the chest in the background, and this one, wallpaper, the key, a little key lock, her sitting on the luggage. It's so, so pretty. Wallpaper with a keyhole again, still pretty. And all the gears, clock, nice. Ooh, look at all the clocks, stopwatches, gears. Oops, nice. And then over here, it's like a newspaper clipping again. Look at how they did that with the wings and the house. Lady Ladybong, it says at the top. And then see an eyeglass thing. And that Big Ben, I think, in London. Could be wrong. And then this one. And then London Guide. So it's like the map and the windows and doors. It looks like doors, I mean, on the bottom of it. And the map. Look at the cards in this one. So you have the doorway, the clock, another clock, doorway. So pretty. And that's the back of them. Gorgeous. And then this is Renard's map of London. So you have this back here and then the houses. And, ooh, look at that world map. Oh, look at the books. So cool. And then, oh, love this one. The book's laid out flat on here. Okay, ready, guys? And then it's open on the other side. With books on the bottom again. Oh, look at the little journal cards. And then, oh, those are cool. They look like this on one side, and then books on the other side. Cool. And look at the cut aparts. You got her on the travel box thingy. Steamer chest. There we go. Kitty cat. Her walk-in. Luggage. Windows. Steamer box. Books. Those funky glasses. Message in a bottle. This is so awesome, guys. Look at her. Cool. Woo. And then I treated myself to 3. I got clockwise. So let's check this one out as well. Oh. I've looked at this one for a while and I didn't get it, and I thought, what the hell? It's Christmas. I'll get it. This one's called Stamperi Clockwise. Ooh, look at them. Nice. All the clocks. This one over here. Oh, love that look. Oh, love the cards. The key of your time. The world of reality has its limits, but the world of imagination is Boundless moments in time. Time is precious. What is possible? Oh, cool. And then it's just plain. That's cool. I like how they did that. And you got the background, and the keys, and like dog tags coming down. One says, "Take your time, make it possible. Spending today complaining about yesterday won't make tomorrow any better." True. Nice. More claps. And gears. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, here, look at the tags. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Man, look at Amy's paper, man. I bought that paper. Good timing. So if I want to do a journal, it works right in with Amy. This blue paper from Amy. So that was good timing, guys. I couldn't have planned that, and I didn't. Actually. Spending time. How about yesterday? Well, yeah, I read that. So cool. Every possibility begins with courage to imagine. That's what it says right here. Keys hanging. And then keys on this side. Ooh, that's interesting. And the gears. Sometimes flying is not enough. And that side. And then this one looks like wallpaper. Ooh. I try my hardest to do this in my next media, and it never turns out. Goal for myself. You make paper that looks like this. That'd be so cool. Cool. Awesome. So that is my Stamperi paper. Clockwise, Sir Vagabond, Lady Vagabond, and Hags Hollows paper. I will have Hags Hollows channel linked in the description box. If you're in, I will link asccraftsupplies.com. Oh, I should tell you what I paid for these. Alright. So, Clockwise paper pack double-sided, I paid $11.75. Lady Vagabond, $11.75. Sir Vagabond, $11.75. I do believe that was a Christmas special, though, so I think they're regular $14. But don't hold me to that. I do believe this was like a Christmas special. So, I want to thank each and every one of you that came in and spent your time with me today, going through my lovely paper and a Hags paper. I couldn't have planned buying this blue paper when I came late in the Hags sale, and then I saw that she had blue, and I loved this blue that I got in like her second paper, you know, where it's like ripped or something. I fell in love with the blue. I don't know if it's the same shade, but either way, I got this one, and it worked out great. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye, everybody.